Hello friends, welcome to my channel Falcon. In today's video, I'll talk about multiple inheritance in Java. When a child class inherits properties of more than one parent class, then it's called multiple inheritance. However, Java does not support multiple inheritance and gets compilation syntax errors when we try to implement. I'll show you with an example. So I'll just open the Eclipse. I have already created the project and package. So now I'm going to create the superclass. So I'm going to create another superclass or a parent class. I'm going to create the child class now. Okay, well, I'll try to extend the parent class. Oops, so it's in capital. So you can see there is no error, but however, when I extend another parent class, so I will get the error, get syntax error. So you can see it is already highlighted with the red. You can see syntax error on tokens annotation name. So you will get this error when you try to implement, even if you try to exhibit it will be compilation error. So you can see it. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video.